Tara guys, panikin natin ang pinakamataas na building sa Kuwait. Ito, Al-Hamra. Samahan nyo akong panikin.
Abla Hussein. The Community Heritage Book by Ayub Hussein Al-Ayub. In the past, created women would wash clothes by the Arab God. This piece portrays 3 women chatting about their families before starting their washing. Dito tayo sa 55th floor. Ayan. Sky lobby. Grabe. Napakataas.